Man, a lot of you guys been asking how I got into personal training. It wasn't a dream of mine. I had always been trained by multiple coaches around the country, and playing football, it wasn't my thing until I met a lady that told me I changed her life through personal training and physical fitness. And it made me realize that my life had value to it by helping other people. I realized at that moment what it was. I realized at that moment that I could help people see their lives as something completely different. For me, it's always been about the mindset, about what I wanted to achieve, and I knew that it all started mentally. So that's why I created Just Train, because Just Train doesn't just speak to the body. Just Train speaks to the mind. It's just train your mind and your body to follow. And so those are one of the components, man. As I'm out here, we're grinding, we're pushing the limit every day, all of us, we're waking up. The thing that we challenge you guys to do is to live on purpose. Get up, be on purpose. Set yourself on fire with your desire. You heard me say it before, I'm gonna say it again. I'm probably gonna say it 100 more times. Let's keep pushing the limit. Let's keep pushing the envelope, all while having fun. Nobody say this shit gotta be stressed out, tough, we can't live our best lives. Nah, hell no, hell no. So I can scream to the top of my lungs. It ain't nobody gonna stop me. What I want you guys to do is get up and challenge yourself, not just in the gym. I want you to challenge yourself in life. I want you to push that limit, challenge yourself, just train your mind, your body to follow. Just Train with Boss, signing off. Thank y'all.